Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So otherwise, the Kiwi dollar is still staying within this tight little channel to the upside, and it is definitely higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. There's no break of structure down. There's no engulfing down. I do not disagree with anybody that looks at this as a possible ABC and possibly going down for a C before it continues up. The problem with that is that all the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend. And when all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, the odds are probably even greater that it may just keep on going up. And this very choppy price action could just be, little bit of a slow market. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here because this is definitely impulsive. This move right here definitely looks corrective. So we could have either wave A or wave one. We could now be either in a wave B or wave two. So if it goes up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, make some sort of an engulfing move to the downside, some sort of a break of structure to the downside, then you could definitely justify going short if you are a short time frame trader, and then you can learn whether it goes down like this for a wave C or whether it just keeps on going down like that for a wave 3. I would just be a little bit cautious with your shorts just because the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend, and there's definitely a chance that it just goes up, bounces, goes, bounce, go, and just keeps on going. I personally am looking for longs in an uptrend, but I am also not a short time frame trader, so I don't mind, getting in a long and then holding on to it for a few days if I have to. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.